stichi gatatu mwancho morigere ni gotogo ya chakurwa se county ya Kisii kubwatikana no korobekana uko kwanyarete kobokene kigwa obugatagati bwo muchibosongo na koirera abange babonchoreria gusiria amari abo nigo mugavana be county ya Kisii litkoria nyara kobaga gutarira abali banyarete koba bakwenyorera chingoma asenya gitari ya Kisii level 6 okwana kurwa sensemeyo nigo Arati boiganyare kobaga komoche abanyanyimbo asogotaina na oborendi boisa ine chinga kibono korobekana uko ekwanyarete kobaga koene kigwa obugatagati bwo muchi obosongo korengana nere nigatebera niga abanyanyimbo barigeretie na gutaseberania abantu bali barenga koba bakoibana gosaria amari yabonchoreria chinka kibono okorobekana okuo kogendre tunonyera boniga bolirio korobekana ko murembe goikenariwa obugatagati bwo muchi obosongo buna gutomanya muri koito Mildred Momanyi
magega yokorobekana kwa murembe wonchoreria nakoba okugosaria ase chinsemo ao ase county ya Kisii etatigetwe magega bono nigo omugavana bwe county eyo aesokire na kurwa engora ya yalitangani gocha ase bali basiretie amagima abo ase boigo agikeria ebikole byobosaria biri byenegatigwe imeyo moche obosongo.
Condolences kwa wote ambao wamepoteza maisha, sio hapa Kisii peke yake lakini kule nje pia.
Maandamano akorekanete igaiga igoro busongo na maandamano to expected abe ya amani abana bakora kujensi nande tutabadenga ki mbia mono aso kunyaleta emekore menge yanyale togosoa ase amaandamano alia ekamanya ko gosali amali abantu obuyibo gakorekana na abaskari baligerete liboli nkoboli abaskari no mwenge asaba ibyaba ekera mpaka kiduka chibire no mwalenge
okwana isiko yenyagitali ya Kisii teaching and referral enga kyatalira bali banyorete chingoma aboli tukoligoro nigo atebire bunamba guchagwancha bantu bogosalia wesonania aso korobekana kwa murembe
enda totebaiga ntuligo chigwanchirana muntonde bwensi kebago kende gionsi kosoa sa abana bali ekarba akora amandamano ali ekarmwa akorire ndaetemba sabe mwensi karwa akorire irana seinonka
omoteneri bwenyagitali yo Dr. Marita nigo aenekirie omubaro bw'abantu banyorete chingoma bali abaigetiwe ase nyagitali yo asasabire bali abakorobekana gosika abanyagitali amone chi ambulance enga kibagokonya bali abanyorire chingoma.
We received a total of 30 patients. Out of those 30, by yesterday 8 were treated and allowed home. 22 landed in the wards. Most of them are stable. 2 out of 22 are scheduled for theater today for various injuries suffered. We received 1 brought in dead out of gunshot injuries. A number of those in the ward will be discharged home today. Others will be discharged home tomorrow. 1 pregnant lady at 36 weeks of pregnancy also was injured, brought here. Luckily she is stable, should be discharged anytime soon. Despite stones being hurled into the compound, despite the ambulances being stoned, despite the tear gases being hurled into the compound, braced all that and still went to save the patients. We wish to really engage our community members to respect hospital compounds, to respect hospital entrances and exits, to respect healthcare workers, and also to respect ambulances.
Nigo bono omugavana asabire bali bonsi bakorobekana asaba saebeke goli egeke gukora okorobekana kwa murembe ase boigatebire na chikolia enchera yogokonya abangina balia basiretie amali abo anene mono isiko yenyagitali ya Kisii teaching and referral engaki yokorobekana
nko basaba abantu baminta andonse small kumogende ta maandamano ino nyakole no murembe pole ntokumayenga kitora bakonye lakini ntokuane especially abangina bali basalete ebintu byabo byasalete bumono aige e town.
Ko reporter ya igetaseni kya Ndizi TV ile taliane Mildred Momanyi.